My love, you must know, you are my desire. You are the warmth of my heart. If you knew when a blizzard comes along, if you knew how it can change to a wire in the air, it freezes your heart in seconds. You gotta dig down, but you must understand how I feel from you. It's a warmth of love. This desire feels so great. It keeps me going from this blizzard state of my mind. You are my desire. You are my destiny. You are my truth of my heart. When there's a storm, it can change directions. But how I see you, it's a state of mind of a target of warmth, of fuzzy feelings, a love everlasting. But if you see the eye of the storm, when it fades away, it's a desire. It feels like you are past that desire. You are greater than me being by myself. You know, being alone with this emptiness, this darkness, having no meaning. You are so fine to see, so please stay close to me. I want you by my side forever long. How long does it take to earn this conditional love? To have the permission to have it? How far and true I got to be with you? How long does it take to make this connection stronger? I beg you so, don't ever leave me. Don't leave me alone. Even if you go to work and it's a busy day, if you have a moment to have a think about me, I'll love it so much. Give me a phone, give me a selfie, 'cause I love you so much. You are desire, and that storm must go away, and it will pass. How long you're beside me, I fancy you from the day I found you, the day I smiled and straightened my back. My groins heated for a desire of a warmth I'll never want it to fade away. So take this as my love, not a storm, a desire of love and peace for you. This is true love. I see you sitting at the table with our children, eating our food. You are cooked with your own hands. This is a holy meal you have given me to support a love and desire.